Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth and Boxes. I am Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to go through the holiday haul box for
Memorial Day and 4th of July.
Memorial Day and 4th of July. You could also use it for Veterans Day. If you are not familiar with holiday haul box, this is a holiday, I won't say seasonal because it is per holiday. So they put together decorations for each holiday in the year. There's 7 boxes per year. This particular box is called the Freedom Box. This is meant for Memorial Day and 4th of July. You can also use it for Veterans Day. They're $89.99 per box. If you do sign up for the year or at one time, you can get a discount. We're doing it the holiday to holiday just because it is such an expense to do it all at one time, but whatever works for you. They are free shipping. Once you sign up, let them know your birthday. The holiday closest to your birthday will include an extra gift for your birthday. So my birthday's in November, so I'll get mine for Thanksgiving, so that'll be exciting. There should be 6 decor items in each box. This is our pretty red, white, and blue box. If you have been watching the other unboxings for Holiday Haul, you will have noticed that they all have, the boxes are decorated for the holiday. So once you finish the holiday, put the items back in that box. Once you put it on the shelf in the closet or storage or whatever, it's easy to identify which holiday you're getting the box out for.
Yes.
So let's see what it looks like inside.
It's heavy.
It's very heavy.
Got the tissue paper with the sticker.
It's always wrapped so nice.
We got a cute little thing with a QR code to tell us about the products inside, so I'm going to scan it real quick.
I'll show you what we got. This obviously it's covered in a bunch of brown squiggles, but it's packed really well. So we're going to check the QR code to get more details about the products in the box, which we haven't done on previous boxes. So we're going to see how this goes. Let's start with this one.
Okay, so this one is adorable, by the way. And it is a metal star candle holder.
And it looks like it should open up.
Yes, when I watch somebody unbox it on YouTube, it does open, but it was a little tight, so it's
There it goes.
But you can put a cute little candle here and put it on a bookshelf, put it on a mantle, put it anywhere is going to be adorable for it. And you can use this year round because you could use it at Christmas time.
Yeah,
it's really cute.
And does it give values?
Let me see if it does. Retail value $20.
$20. All right, so we got our first item, a little star candle holder, and you can hang it if you want to.
You could also, that'd be so cute outside on.
Oh, for like a picnic or a 4th of July picnic. That would be so much fun. A 4th of July picnic, hang this out with a candle, and probably a flameless candle would be ideal for that. So.
These are our next items. So this is cute little blocks. If it says USA, we're going to take them out and put them together and show you what we got. So this is so cute for what was our next item. It's a little stand USA. It turns, they're on blocks, so you put it together and they fit together and they're double-sided. So I mean, this is endless uses for this one, and it is adorable.
I love that it's kind of faded looking and distressed around the edges. It's not a perfect wall-to-wall print. It looks like it's seen a lot of holidays, which is fun. So I like it.
Yes, I like this one a lot. So the retail on those signs was $30.
So that's pretty good value so far, $50 and only 2 items. Our next item is flag bunting or red, white, and blue bunting. And this is
so cute.
Really, really cute. This
fireplace.
Yes.
On a stairwell.
Out across the patio when you're using the star thing for your picnic.
Exactly. Look, and you got stars and then stars.
There are 6 total of the actual sections. So
the loops for hanging it with.
Yeah, and you can hook it, and it's kind of on
hang it over a banister outside, from the balcony.
And this is actually, I just realized, I thought it would have just been one piece of fabric, but this is backed. It's sewn together, 2 pieces of fabric. That is high quality.
It feels good quality.
Yeah, this is not going to unravel on you and look really trashy after the first time you use it.
Exactly.
And hold up for holidays, lots of holidays.
Lots of holidays. And so the value on that one was $25.
$25. All right, awesome.
Next item, let's get it unwrapped. Oh my goodness, these are adorable.
I love these.
Oh my goodness. Americana hearts, stripes, stars and stripes forever. Sit them on a mantle like this. You could set them on using it like a little tray to put little trinkets in.
So pretty.
And they're have on the backs if you want to lay them flat. It won't scratch anything. And this
And it's a
feels
hard plastic
really good.
inside.
And I think I read that they were mango wood.
I've never had anything with mango wood.
I know, so this is exciting. So yes, mango wood trays, and the value is $30. Those are nice. I like them.
These are really, really good. Nice quality. I like
Nice
these.
quality.
The last thing looks like it's going to tie the whole thing together. A little red, white, and blue flameless candle. It will need a battery. Oh yeah, look how cute it's going to look in here.
I mean,
Looks-
it's like, will set perfect. Oh,
That's going to
adorable.
be so pretty. It doesn't have the battery in it, but it's I think everybody's familiar
Yeah.
with these, and it looks like
The-
the little top is, you can move it around the flame
Yeah.
part how you want it positioned. But that is really nice. This is one of those that feels like it's actual, it scrapes like it's wax. Sometimes the flameless candles are actually made out of a wax
Yeah,
material, but it has a plastic cellophane to unwrap
Protect
from
it.
around it. So you can either leave it on with the cellophane, but it has a sticker on it, or take it off and just have the candle.
and I said that was a $15 value.
$15 value. So that's probably why it's real wax.
Yes. So,
Oh,
cool
look,
box.
you can put it in the thing.
Exactly.
That was a great box. I liked it.
I like it. I'm looking forward to decorating for Memorial Day and having it out for the 4th of July and having other holidays like Veterans Day we can use it for.
I love this box. We really enjoy the holiday haul boxes. If you also enjoyed this box and would like to see more of this type of content, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. But for today, from Beth and Krista, thank you for joining us on Beth Unboxing.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.